What if the greatest sign that you're healing isn't that you stop missing them, but that one day you look back and barely recognize the person you once couldn't let go of? Stay with me, because what happens after long-term no-contact surprises almost everyone, and it could completely change the way you see your own journey. One of the hardest decisions after a deeply unhealthy relationship is choosing no contact. At first, it doesn't feel empowering. It feels quiet, uncomfortable, even lonely. Your mind keeps replaying old conversations, wondering what went wrong and questioning whether you made the right choice. But here's what many people don't realize. Every day you stay away from constant confusion, emotional pressure, and mixed signals, your mind begins to settle. The emotional fog slowly lifts. You start thinking more clearly because you're no longer surrounded by the chaos that kept you second-guessing yourself. Healing doesn't happen all at once. It's more like riding a wave. Some days you'll feel strong. Other days you'll miss what you hoped the relationship could become. That's normal. Keep going. As time passes, something remarkable begins to happen. The person you once placed on a pedestal starts looking very different. The charm that once seemed irresistible begins to feel rehearsed. The promises that once sounded comforting begin to reveal patterns instead of love. You start remembering moments you ignored, dismissed, or explained away. Distance creates perspective. When you're constantly caught in emotional ups and downs, it's difficult to recognize unhealthy dynamics. But once you're outside of them, your mind has room to reflect. Writing your thoughts down, learning about unhealthy relationship patterns, and giving yourself time all help connect the pieces. Eventually, one powerful realization arrives. The problem wasn't that you were impossible to love. The problem was that you were trying to make sense of behavior that repeatedly left you feeling confused, anxious, and emotionally drained. Before this person entered your life, you lived without them. And you can absolutely build a meaningful life after them too. The longer you remain focused on your own growth, the less power those memories have over you. You stop checking for validation. You stop needing explanations. Your energy returns to your goals, your peace, your family, your passions, and the future waiting for you. Then one day, almost without noticing, you think about them. And instead of longing, you feel relief. That's when you know real healing has begun. You don't see the image they carefully presented anymore. You see the patterns. You see the inconsistency. You see the emotional cost. Most importantly, you see yourself more clearly than ever before. No contact isn't about punishment. It's about creating enough distance to reconnect with your own reality. The more you protect your peace, the stronger your confidence becomes. And with that strength comes clarity. If today's message spoke to your journey, let us know in the comments where you are in your healing process. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TF, and keep watching for more insights that help you protect your peace and rebuild your confidence, one step at a time. This content is created for educational and awareness purposes only. Every relationship is unique, and if you're facing a difficult situation, consider seeking guidance from a qualified mental health professional or trusted support resources.